How to enable Instagram limits feature. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Instagram limits feature by following these simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you're going to open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the left bottom corner where your profile picture is being shown to open up the Instagram profile or Instagram feed. Afterwards, what you're going to do is tap on the right upper corner where this three bar icon is being shown. Eventually, a new dialog box would appear in which you're going to tap on the settings option, which is at the very top. Afterwards, a new page of settings would appear in which you're going to look in the privacy options or tap on the privacy options, which is at the number third to continue. So, a new page has appeared in the privacy option. So you're going to go and look for the limits in the interaction bar. In the interaction bar, the limits is at the number 1. So after tapping on it, a page for limits has been opened on Instagram. You're going to go and look and read about what this tells us. For example, limit unwanted interactions, how will it will recommend groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from. So when you'll tap on continue, it'll tell us how which counts may be spam, fake, created, harass that aren't following you. It would limit that, your recent followers, how long to limit. In this, you can set the time period. For example, you want the time period to be in weeks, it can do that as well, or it can be in a days as well. So if you don't want to do it right now, it is also an option for set reminder. What this reminder will do basically is to remind you after some days that you have to put on that limit option. So after doing so, if you want to tap on turn on, this would automatically turn on the limits for your Instagram. This is how you do it. This is how you enable Instagram limits feature. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the video. Thank you everyone. Till next time.